Hey guys, September 29, 2021, we are looking at COG, and the only reason why we're looking at it because it did heavy volume today. Heavy volume in the amount of over 60 million shares traded today. So looking at a 5-minute chart at a 5-day period, it has been gradually moving up nicely. And then yesterday, actually, it started trending down, not holding that same momentum from the previous day, right? And then today it moved up higher than where it closed. So I feel like we're going to start this roller coaster type of trend before it breaks down. And the reason why I say it before it breaks down, looking at the news, there's no major news. The only thing I could see that was positive that came out today was a possible merger. And then after around like 11 o'clock, I guess they said shareholders approved the merger, and they're combining with some other company. But I mean, what what good is that? Like, I don't know. I'm not a person who really focused on the integrity of the company or what it's about. I'm more so just playing off of these technicals because a good company can be hot tomorrow and cold the next day. It really, doesn't really matter too much on what what's going on in the actual company. But yeah, you can see this downtrend and then this uptrend here to where I think tomorrow is going to present another roller coaster. In fact, let's zoom into that one day to see if there was an opportunity to make some money. Yeah, first 5-minute candle. If you guys had placed an position to bid a bid position at what is this 2168, you could have rolled it up and sold at 2196. Me, I always sell out the second candle, so I would have made a little bit of money, not too much. I would have probably been kicking myself. And those who are risky would have sold 2201 15 minutes later. Um, but this stock played in a range, which is kind of an uptrend, I guess. I don't know if I'm reaching here. Hopefully not. First 15, 20 minutes of the day, I probably would have drawn a cone like this to hopefully tell me what was going to happen next. And I would say, yeah, maybe around 10:20, I would have probably saw that this stock was gonna break its upward trend, but it broke the upward trend just to bounce below VWAP, consolidate a little bit, and then shoot up to as high as 22.29. So this is kind of a hard but easy stock to play. You just have to be patient and watch for the opportunities of broken trends and even this consolidation period right here. No, do not zoom in here to here. You would have to just have been, I guess, waiting for the support or the resistance to break. And the resistance did break around noon. And then from there it was sunny skies. But that's the play for COG. The next stock I want to look into before we end this is CA, sorry, NCNA, which did a whole lot of volume today as well. Probably, around 85 million shares in volume. And these stocks are always so scary to me, how it lays dormant for 5 days and all of a sudden pre-market it shoots up and then there's does a drastic drop before we can even the bell even open to where this is I would have stayed far away from this. Look at this pre-market activity. This is all the way up and then came down. Or I guess when I zoomed out, it looked worse than it really was when I zoomed in. So I guess it's not too bad here. But let's take a look real quick at possible plays. First 5 minutes. Um, I like this opening 5 minute bar. This wouldn't even have gave me an opportunity to jump into where I would have saved some money because I always put my opening bid at above the pre-market 5-minute bar pre-market. So I would have had it at 310. Wouldn't have filled me until 10 minutes in, and by that time, I'm already canceling my position, looking for other plays to create. And later on in the day, as we progress in the day, I try to do different type of strategies. I like to do the bounce off the VWAP, trend breaks, and other stuff that I've mentioned in previous videos. I'll probably mention again in future videos. But yeah, this is a stock that was couldn't make up his mind. It was playing games with the VWAP. I like stocks that either stay above or stay below. After what 1040 it stayed below, it looks like. Yeah, it never got back up. So, and this is a small cap stock. I don't play or mess around with small cap stocks. So I would be really surprised if anybody made any money in these type of stocks, this type of stock, because it just looks like a money grabber. Hopefully you guys stayed clear of this stock. If it's below $5, and especially when it does these long wicks, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all just manipulation to grab your funds. So don't fall for these guys. If you see a stock opening up with these long wicks, people are losing money. So just be smart about your money. Don't just jump into a stock just because it has a lot of volume. There's other great stocks out there, and even if there's not, there's another day. But just, be positive and be smart with your money. It's easier to save money than it is to lose money or to make money, something like that. But yeah, the words are there. Figure it out. But I want to thank you guys for listening. That is the review for NCNA. Trade smart, and I would see you guys on the next video. Bye.